Throughout human history, birdsong has offered more than just a pleasant background to our lives. It connects us deeply to the rhythms of the natural world. Birdsong plays a vital role in ecosystems, marking territory, attracting mates, and maintaining the balance of nature. But for us, it's also a source of peace, inspiration, and even healing. Studies have shown that listening to birdsong can reduce stress, sharpen focus, and boost our mood. In this recording, we focus on two remarkable songbirds, the Eurasian wren and the bluethroat. Though small in size, their voices carry far and wide, painting the forest with sound. Thank you for listening. Subscribe for more peaceful moments from nature. See you in the next one.